Hello, this is Kalushia with Colored and Creative. In this mini tutorial, we will be going over how to enable or disable an announcement bar on your Squarespace website. This is pretty simple, but also it is important to know that this feature is only available with the Squarespace business plan. And at the time of this video, May 2024, this is the 7.1 version of Squarespace. So once you log into your website template, you will head on over to Pages, scroll all the way to the bottom, head on over to Website Tools, Announcement Bar, and this is where you will find all that you need to enable or disable this feature. So as I stated before, you would need the business plan in order to activate this on your site. So this is a demo, so definitely you would not see it all the way through, but you would select upgrade, and this is where you would find all the pricing plan for Squarespace. All right, so we do have the announcement bar enabled on this website template. So if you select disable, then you would not see it anymore. And also remember to hit the save option just to make sure that it will be disabled on your public website. Right? So we want to keep that enabled. So you could put any message that you have here. It's also great to keep it short and spicy because you do not want to overwhelm your visitors with a lot of text at the top of your website. And this also appears in all pages. All right. And right here where you have this little button, you do have the option to direct. So once your visitor click on that announcement bar, you could direct them to an email, a web address, a file. You could upload a file. So if when they click on it, they get like a PDF or something, or you could direct them to a specific page on your website. One important tip, you can just put / and then you would see all the pages that you have on your website. So you don't have to go back for a URL and paste it. So this is just an easy trick. Or you could direct them to a phone number. So basically, you're telling the announcement bar what you want your audience to do. So whether you want them to email you or go to a specific address, whether you're trying to let them opt into an email list or whatever the case may be. So this is all the settings and options that you have to do so. All right. And you can also save it. So you might be asking the question, how do I change the color of this, of my announcement bar? So you would go over to Site Styles, click on Colors. And for this one, we do have the section in our lightest 2. So if you scroll down, you can see the name of the color theme section. So we're at lightest 1. So we would lightest 2, I'm sorry. So lightest 2, and we would see all the colors. So in order to see that specific section that you're trying to change the color of, you would select the announcement bar. So you would click on it, and that would give you all the options you have to change. So background, you could change it to black. Any single color that you have, you could choose it from your color palette, or you could choose a custom color if you have an X code, RGB, HSL, whatever the case may be, you do have the option to change that. You could change the text color, background, you could make it fun, make it your brand, anything. All right. So that is pretty simple. Let me know if you have any questions further. I will do another more in-depth tutorial, but that's just how to enable it, change the color of the text, and all of that. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more.